Hello guys, so natapos na ang labang Manny Pacquiao against the Mexican-American Mario Barrios, and the result of that is a draw. Ibig sabihin, tabla yung laban. So for me, mananalo talaga si Pacquiao noon kaya lang on the last round or the 12th round, that was Barrios rounds. So nanalo si Barrios doon at nakabawi si Barrios doon, kaya siguro naging draw yung laban. Well, ganun talaga ang laban but then again, I'm so proud of Manny Pacquiao for surviving the fights, because he's 46 years old then against the younger and the hunger fighter and the person of Mario Barrios. Again, congratulations to both of those fighters, Manny Pacman from the Philippines and Mario Barrios. So the fights is good. I'm so satisfied with those performance of those both fighters. So again, thank you very much, and if there will be having what we call a rematch, again, solid Manny Pacquiao pa rin ako. So go lang Manny Pacquiao. Thank you very much, and to all the fantastic fans all over the world of boxing. Thank you very much, and congratulations, and God bless you all. Thank you very much again.